Yeah, I'm back. The topic. It's day 8, learning game development in Godot, or the development, so maybe general also. Almost same principles apply: development, creative logic, problem solving. I'm your host Malavir Eddy, who loves you most, even you. And you're watching Eddy Does Internet of Capitalism show. This time, more on the subject, education. I'm learning, knowledge, gift that keeps on giving. Who's the man? Who is the man? Who is the man? Or who is the lady? Anyway. Here's the screen. Get it notch larger, like this. Come on. No? Yeah? Like this, yes. So I came near the completion of the Godot tutorial over here. I'll zoom it in. And have it zoomed in. Yeah. Tab. This tab. Yay. So, heads up display. I'll again change the scene to what I'm used to, which one I'm used to use so far. It's just this one, because I know perfectly how to align all this and keep the presentation readable for all of you and me and all of you and all of you. Where's my Godot editor? Open. I've got the projects list. Touch the creep tooth. That's the one. Let's see it. Let's see it. Zoom out. Behave. And what do I have here? I've got a few scenes. This one is deprecated. It didn't work, that implementation. Here's the player main. Okay, so the main, if I run it, will get the game going. The mobs appear, move around. Okay, they got me. And now it's required to implement the start game over, price the score. And until this point I don't have that. I need to rerun the project. And it worked. All the steps in the official documentation to follow the tutorial worked perfectly for me for version 4.3, and the documentation confirms that it's up to date. So let's prepare this. Let me prepare. So what I use here to make stuff larger for you to see is the Windows magnifier, Windows key plus, enable it, zoom in, and the editor fits nicely into the screen. I can even enable so-called distract mode. I'll just squeeze it a little bit like this, and in a distract mode I can actually have it like this, nice. A real person. Let's make it personal. Come to my website. let me know over there. Either using the contact page is actually a comment field, and I don't publish the comments over there automatically. I moderate and check them myself. It's not automated. Legit site. I take a look at it, take care of it, and so on. Switching to the outro. See you soon.